Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends. Today we are going to study two approaches to network analysis. So let's start. So we have two approaches to network analysis, meaning to analyze any network, we have two options. What are those? One is direct method, second one is network reduction method. What does those mean? Let's see. Number one is direct method. What does that mean? It means here the network is left in its original form while determining its different voltages and currents. That means whatever circuit or network is given to you, it is analyzed as it is without any modification or without any change in circuit and change in meshes or anything. It is kept as it is, and it is analyzed. What is the second point about this direct method is such methods are usually restricted to fairly simple circuits, and it includes Kirchhoff's laws, loop analysis, superposition theorem, compensation theorem, and reciprocity theorem. So the important point we have to understand is direct methods are only used fairly for simple circuits. Important point to understand. And what are the different direct methods of network analysis? These are Kirchhoff's laws, which include Kirchhoff's current law, voltage law, loop analysis, superposition theorem, compensation theorem, and reciprocity theorem. If you understood what are direct methods, let's go to the network reduction methods. So as the name says, here the original network is converted into a much simpler equivalent circuit for rapid calculation of different quantities. So basically, whatever network we get, we basically modify it. Why do we modify it? Because we need to have a simplicity while for the calculation and for the understanding of the circuit. So here we convert the original network into much simpler equivalent circuit for rapid calculation of different quantities. What is second point about this reduction method is these methods can be applied to simple as well as complicated networks. How this is different than direct methods is direct method can only be applied fairly to simple circuits, but the network reduction method can be applied to both simple and complicated networks. What is the third point? Third point is what are the different examples of network reduction method? There are different methods such as delta to star conversion, or an star to delta conversion, or Thevenin's theorem or Norton's theorem. So these are the simple examples of network reduction methods: delta to star, star to delta, Thevenin's theorem, and Norton's theorem. So I hope, friends, you understood the two approaches to network analysis and differences between them. I'm going to close this lecture at this point. Thank you and have a great day.